1, 2 balls roll on the ground. Laughing friends, happy sound. 1, 2 balls roll on the ground. Laughing friends, happy sound. Green, green grass beneath our feet. Learning outside is such a treat. 1, 2, 3, clouds up high, floating softly in the sky. Learning's fun when friends stay near. Smiles and joy and lots of cheer. Learning's fun when friends stay near. Smiles and joy and lots of cheer. Red and blue and yellow too. Colors smile at me and you. 1, 2, 3 steps slow. Count together as we go. Round and square are everywhere. Shapes we find with gentle care. 1 cloud, 2 clouds drifting by, floating softly in the sky. Green, green grass beneath our toes. Blue, blue sky above our nose. Clap together, smile so wide. Friends learn best side by side. 1, 2 balls roll slow and round. Happy learning all around. Triangle roof up high we see. Shapes are fun for you and me. Waving high, counting makes us smile so bright. Colors, shapes, and numbers too. We are learning something new. Day goes on, we laugh and play. Learning grows in every way. Orange sky and purple light. Day turns softly into orange sky and purple light. Day turns softly into night. Bye-bye, friends. See you soon. Momo and Mimi wait.
As the day begins to slow, Momo and Mimi softly go.
Purple sky and orange glow. Evening colors start to show. 1, 2, 3, 3 small lights so bright, shining gently in the night. Square windows, triangle roof. Shapes at night are gentle proof. When we learn, we help and share. Friends make learning extra fair. 1, 2 stars twinkle high, smiling softly in the sky. White flowers glow so bright. Colors change, we learn numbers, shapes, and hue. Learning feels so warm and new. Side by side and hand in hand, friends together always stand. Moon says hi, stars appear. Sleepy time, our story rests, but does not